Good morning or evening or afternoon. Happy Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday. Whenever you are doing this, hello, what's up? I hope you are doing well. I have a couple of updates. The first one is obviously we're doing things a little bit differently in our class, all right? So you had that Desmos activity about quadratic equations. That worked out great. You guys did a great job. Unfortunately, to do the stuff moving forward, uh, yeah, it just did not work out for me, and thus I'm not going to try to make you guys do that. So we are going to pivot to something else, something a little bit easier to get online and communicate with. In doing that, we're going to try something different. Hopefully you're watching this video and you have your notes open. So these measures of center notes are open. Maybe you have it like on half your screen, and then the other half is me, the video. I'm not sure, whatever works for you. Basically, what I'm asking you to do is fill out your notes. That's going to be one assignment. So all of these blanks, I'm going to go through and fill them in, and you fill them along with me. And then at the end, you'll have a little bit of classwork. All right, today, hopefully it shouldn't be too bad. I think you guys have all seen mean, median, mode, and range. And then also there'll be some questions attached to this video. So I might pause it right here and ask you a question. Maybe I did that, maybe I didn't. That's a future Mr. Kelly problem. The other two things I want to talk to you about. The first one, there is a student survey. All right. Our school, Cuyahoga Falls, is collecting this data. It is to help us help you. It's also to help you help us in different ways. This time, it's unprecedented, obviously. And the biggest thing that I think that this form touches on that I want to tell you guys is that most importantly, we just want to be able to communicate with you. We care about you guys, and we hope that you're doing well. Ultimately, I'm making this video more so that you know I'm here trying to help you rather than I'm trying to like see if you guys know math. I'm not trying to give you guys assignments that are going to put you behind. I'm trying to reach out, and I think the best way to reach out is to I don't know, kind of keep doing what we maybe would have been doing, but obviously it's different. So take some time, click on that link, fill that out if you haven't already. I'm sure some of you already have. And then the other update is that you will not have any more Khan Academy assignments. Those also worked pretty well for some of you, but they did not work for everybody. So if you want to keep doing things on Khan Academy, feel free. I'll be able to see that. I can give you a grade for that stuff. But they are not going to be assigned moving forward. Okay, we're going to have something else. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we're just going to talk today a little bit about measures of center. Measure of center is a measure that represents the center or typical value of a data set. And there are three. I think mean, you've heard of, median, and mode. We're going to talk about all three, and then we'll kind of move into a broader discussion later this week. So like the 22nd on Wednesday or into next week, depending on when you watch these videos. So the mean is also known as the average. That is the sum of the data divided by the number of data values. So if we look at this example, 2, 5, 9, 3, 5, 4, 7, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 data values. And then we're going to add up 2 plus 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 7 divided by 7. Going to use my handy dandy calculator over here. Probably could have done this to save some time, but you can see me. So that equals 35. 35 divided by 7 is 5. All right. Hopefully, again, this is all review. Let me know if it is not the median. That is going to be the middle. Okay. So that is the middle number when the values are written in numerical order. That's important. All right. Some people like to skip that step. Just move into just finding the middle number. Got to put them in order. So when a data set has even values, the median is the mean of the 2 middle values. We'll talk about that. First things first, it's always good if you have a data set like this to put it in order. So we have 2, then comes 3, then 4, then 5, then 5, then 7, and then 9. So I'll space those out a little bit. And then we're going to find the median. So it's easier when you write it down, but it's not these two, the greatest and the least. And then we're just going to work our way to the middle. So not there, then here and here. So it ends up being this number right here, 5. So our median is 5, right? When we have data set with 6 values here, again, we're going to reorder. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and 9. We're going to once again come to the middle, get rid of that greatest number and least number, and the next least and the next greatest. We have 4 and 5. So we're going to do 4 plus 5, and then divide that by 2. So that's going to be 9 divided by 2, or 4.5. Okay. Again, hopefully this is a review. The third measure of center, it's not always the center, but it's another way that we can think about a typical value. The mode, that's going to be the most often, or just leave it at the most. So the value or values that occur the most often. There may be one mode, no mode, or more than one mode. All right, so here we have 1 5, 2 5s. We don't have any duplicates of any other number, so our mode is 5. Here we have 2 2s. We got a 2 right here and a 2 right here, and a 5 and a 5. So even though there's 2 of them, both 2 and 5, whoa, that's a funny typo, and 5 are going to be the modes in that case. All right, the last one, again, hopefully another review. The range is the difference of the greatest value and the least value. So again, it helps to put it in numerical order. So starting with the least, going to the greatest. We've used this data set now a bunch of times, so I'm not going to order it. Hopefully 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 7, 9. Double checking. Nope, I didn't forget anything. And then our greatest value is 9. We're going to subtract that from our least value, 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. And that's our range. All right. So your classwork is going to look a little bit like this. So I have in through 7 pitches. It had the following speeds in miles per hour. I want you guys to start by reordering these. So the lowest number is 61, then 63, then 66. Oh my goodness, I've made a hilarious mistake. What number did I forget? 59. So 59 is less than 61. So 59, 61, 63, 66, 66 again, 68, and then 72. So I'll find the mean of that really quickly. I have 7 data values, so I'm going to divide the sum of all 7 numbers by 7. So 59 plus 61 plus 63, 66 plus 68 plus 72. It's going to equal 455. And when I divide that by 7, I get 65. So that worked out. The average speed in miles per hour is 65 miles an hour. Then we find the median. Take out the lowest and the greatest. The lowest and the greatest again. Lowest and the greatest. So the median is 66. The mode, there is 2 66's. So that's going to be our mode since nothing else is repeated. And our range is 72 minus 59, which is going to equal, I do 72 minus 59, I get 13. All right, so your assignment is to finish your notes now. There's this classwork, reorder these values, find the mean, median, mode, and range. And then also let me know if anything got messed up for you. Hopefully should still look okay, but let me know. Yeah, so hopefully you're doing great. You're having a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Thank you so much.